Feeling trapped in a cycle of long work hours and little pay? What if I told you there's a way to break free? Stay tuned, because in this video, we're diving into life-changing strategies from the ebook, More Time, More Money, to help you work smarter, not harder. Passive income is a game changer. Set up affiliate programs on a website to pre-sell products and earn commissions. Or create and sell how-to ebooks online. These strategies can turn your skills into recurring revenue. Don't just stop at ebooks. A well-visited website with fresh content can generate advertising commissions through banners and clickable links. Don't underestimate the power of salary negotiation. Whether it's a job interview or a performance review, knowing your worth can significantly boost your income. Learning to manage your time effectively is crucial. Say no to non-essential commitments, delegate tasks, and prioritize the most challenging ones. Freelancing and consulting offer flexibility and higher earning potential. Teach a language, write articles, or explore green consulting. The opportunities are endless. From selling vintage pieces on eBay to hosting online forums or creating podcasts, the digital age provides countless income streams. The problem rises, however, when you try to do each of these things well. Finding the time to create these videos, plan your day, break tasks into milestones, and eliminate distractions. Staying organized can exponentially boost your efficiency. Remember, the key to success isn't working harder, it's working smarter. With the right strategies, you can create a life that's both fulfilling and financially rewarding. Subscribe to Motivational Prototype for life-changing tips and